Hi everyone! Welcome to Masala Tea Spill.
Guys, Kritika Khurana is officially dating someone new. And this is not just any guy. We have all the insider details from his name, Instagram, family, wedding sightings, and even why she's keeping this one private. This is the first time we're revealing everything. You won't believe it because this time things feel very different. This is not like her past. This is more private, more intentional, and honestly, a little mysterious too. And the more you dig into it, the more interesting it gets. Kritika's new boyfriend is Gandharva Raj Khanna. Now pause for a second because this is where things start getting serious. He lives in Ghaziabad and comes from a very wealthy family. His father is the owner of Onida Healthcare, making him extremely well off. And when people say well off, they don't mean normal rich. They mean next level, business family, generational wealth type rich. Gandharva is working at Onida Healthcare. So he's not just from a rich family, he's also actively involved in the business. He is described as a tenacious individual with a strong vision and zeal to seek and maximize opportunities, which basically means ambitious, focused, and someone who knows what he's doing in life. And honestly, this already sounds like someone very different from her past. Now let's talk about the most important proof in today's time. Instagram handle is at GKHKhanna29, and this is where fans became detectives. Kritika is following him, along with her sister and her sister's boyfriend, Sanyam Kalra, a clear indication that family is aware and approving. Now understand this clearly. In influencer world, you don't follow someone randomly. And when your family follows him too, that's not casual. That's intentional. That's serious. This is what people call a soft confirmation without saying anything publicly. Fans are calling him a green flag and very compatible for Kritika. And honestly, after everything she went through, this is exactly what people wanted for her. Comments highlight his calm, grounded personality and respectfulness. Not flashy, not loud, not attention seeking. Just stable. And sometimes that's exactly what matters the most. So yes, Kritika is dating Gandharva Raj Khanna, and the couple has been keeping things private but intentional. And this private but intentional part, that's the biggest shift in her story. Now, let's talk about real life sightings, because this is where things get real recently. Spotted holding hands at Select City Walk and Goa. Fans immediately noticed and shared posts online. And guys, holding hands in public? That's not just friends. That's comfort. That's closeness. That's a relationship. People didn't just see them, they noticed the body language, the comfort level, the ease between them. And that says a lot. Kritika attended Gandharva's family wedding festivities in Chandigarh, showing she's already involved with his family. Now this is big. Because attending a family wedding is not casual. It means you've been introduced, you're accepted, you're part of the inner circle, and this tells us one thing very clearly. This relationship is not new, it's already serious. Casual group outing where she got pictures clicked with Gandharva, but kept it private. Which again shows she's okay being seen, but she's choosing not to announce it. That's a very conscious decision. Interaction on Instagram is subtle. Likes, story views, and follows from Kritika, her sister, and Sanyam Kalra. No overposting, no comments, no couple reveal. Just small hints, and honestly, that makes people even more curious. No public announcement yet, no brand-focused content. Unlike her previous marriage. And this is where you see the biggest difference. Before, everything was visible. Now, everything is controlled. She is keeping things private and meaningful this time. Not for the internet, not for content, just for herself. She's manifesting, being private, and making sure compatibility is right before sharing publicly. And this line actually explains everything. Because maybe, this time she doesn't want to rush. Fans are rooting for her to find someone stable and respectful. Because at the end of the day, people have seen her journey. And they want a better ending for her. Positive vibes dominate the thread, praising her for being deliberate and thoughtful. No hate, no trolling, just curiosity and support. Now let's talk about the part people are most curious about. Her divorce from Aditya, ex-husband of Kritika Khurana. Because you can't understand the present without understanding the past. Reasons for her divorce, as per Reddit discussions. Allegedly, he lied about his job, either about having one or about his role/company. And trust is everything in a relationship. Once that breaks, everything starts falling apart. He wanted to start a business. Kritika invested her money, but according to claims, he didn't put effort, the money was lost. Now imagine being emotionally and financially invested, and things still don't work out. That hits differently. About his mental health, Kritika was aware and supportive, which shows she really tried. But he allegedly didn't take medicines properly, lied about taking them. These issues were happening before marriage, and this is important. We see the red flags, but choose to ignore them. But she was deeply in love. She kept forgiving and trying. And honestly, a lot of people can relate to this. She tried to make it work, but eventually chose to be practical over emotional. And that decision is never easy. Now she approaches relationships deliberately, consciously, and privately, focusing on genuine love. And this is the biggest takeaway from her story: growth. Reddit users notice she's actively manifesting love with intention. Whether you believe in manifestation or not, her actions clearly show one thing: she's being careful this time. Gandharva is calm, grounded, family approved, and career oriented. Very private, wealthy, and respectful. Exactly what fans hoped for. Almost like the opposite of everything that went wrong before. Most fans are rooting for her happiness and stability this time. Because at the end of the day, everyone loves a good comeback story. So there you have it. Kritika Khurana's new love story revealed. A new boyfriend, Gandharva Raj Khanna, family approval, private outings, and intentional love after a past divorce. Do you think she finally found the one? Or is she just being more careful this time? Comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for all the latest celebrity tea.
And thank you for watching, girlies.